Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am making a good and beautiful drawing video. I hope you will like my video. So stay connect with me till the end of video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe now because your support is very important for my channel growth. So please like my video and tell me suggestion about next video in comment section. Thank you.
Said that it would be easy. Don't have 3 wishes from a genie. Give them a beautiful surprise. Don't you go down without a fight. This world don't come free. Got no choice but to be me. I'll take one.